Can't say mwine nyowe. That means my like mwine John. That is like a son of. But here we are using it to say that you have. And if you want to say they don't have, you say timwine. You are telling them that those people tevalina, they don't have. You don't have. You're telling a group of people. Then we have vine. They have. If you want to say they don't have, tivine. Tivine. Then they don't have. Now there are some words that are used to mean when you are replying about something that it has. Like if you want to talk that ekitabo kine, that is in the class of chi. Any word that begins with chi, the likes of ekitabo kine empapula. The book has papers. Ekitabo kine empapula. Then ekiyungu kine omwika. Ekiyungu is called the kitchen. Ekiyungu kine omwika. That means the kitchen has smoke. Ekiyungu kine omwika. Now we have kwine. Kwine means it has. Then you have gwine. Omuti gwine. Now this is according to the class. We have omuti. All trees belong to this class of mu, mi. Omuti, you can say omuti gwine amababi. You know what amababi means? Amababi. No. Amababi means leaves. Omuti gwine amababi. That means the tree has leaves. Omuti gwine amababi. Omuyembe. Omuyembe is a mango. Omuyembe gwine ebijuma. Omuyembe is a mango. Ebijuma is fruit. Ebibara is Ruganda. Omuti gwine ebijuma. That means the tree has fruit. If you want to say
you know Uganda?
I know. I've stayed in Uganda.
I don't know.
It's what I don't know. I know some Uganda. Then now if you want to say that trees have fruit. Emiti eine ebijuma. That's when you say trees have fruits. Emiti eine ebijuma. Meaning you are saying trees have fruits. Then now we have another one in a class of rima. We have it has. In rima we have ihuri. Ihuri rine chirisa. A chirisa is a nutrient. A chirisa. Ihuri rine a chirisa. Then you can say amahuri gaine a chirisa. Yeah, amahuri gine a chirisa. Eggs have nutrients.
Yes, yeah.
We can say gine virisa. Okay, gine chirisa have nutrients. Then ruine. Ruine.
Green.
Ruine means like or wiji. There are some words that have ru in singular and na in plural. We shall be meeting those words. Then we have kine. Kine, we have like kine, then wine. Akame, kine, avana. What does akame? Akame means a rabbit. Akame, you know, this ka is the one that is here, ka. If they become plural, they become obume. Akame kina abana. Obume bwine abana.
Obume.
Obume, that is meaning rabbits have young ones. Abana actually by that can mean young ones. Akame kino bwana. But no, these ones we call them obwana. They are not abana. Because they are small. Akame kino bwana. Small. Then eine. Eine is for those that begin with, that don't have a plural. Words that don't have plural. That stay like ente, emotoka, enju. Those ones don't have emotoka, eine, emipira. What do I mean here? Emotoka is the car. Eine has. Emotoka eine. Empira means tires. Emotoka eine emipira. The car has tires. If I take to plural, I say emotoka zine emipira. Cars have tires. Anything? Abantu bine. Abantu bine. Abantu. So these words, when you meet them, you know that they also mean like has and have. So we go to words that mean that they don't have. I think we had seen We had seen this one. We had seen this negative of not having something. So now we see other forms of not having, but for all classes. This is the word it doesn't have. It doesn't have. So HT, okay, actually it doesn't have, because the it can even be not out, because when you make a sentence it will leave out. Like doesn't have, we say tichine, we are meaning it doesn't have. Tikwine, in classes that have ku. Tibwine.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. I'll show you how these words are applied. Okay. Like if I want to use a sentence of tichine, I will say, you remember when I said tichine nshonga? Tivine nshonga. Yeah, these are words that I used to mean negative.
Yes.
Of not having something. We have words like ho, yo, mu, and he. These words can be added, and they add more to the action. They add more meaning to words.
Finish.
And how they do, they give you like they convey an idea or an action on something. Like if I say narebaho ente, that means I've seen cows there. Like you are doubting what you saw. Like if you saw something, but after some time you don't know whether you saw it or not. Like this one, narebaho ente, narebaho abantu. Narebaho abantu. I saw their people. I saw their people. Like you're telling a person that at a certain place you saw there something. That is when we add ho. Then we have yo. Yo indicates an action done at a distance and is translated by theya. Yagarukayo. Oyineyochi. Are you hearing me? Hello. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry today's lesson was not easy. Tenyangu. Nareebamu. Hello. Hello. Why am I feeling so tired? But I really walked. Hey. Baba wagenda. Hello.
Yes, somebody called me. My network disconnected.
Somebody.
Yes, somebody called me. My network disconnected.
Hey. Somebody called you. Yeah. Now, tomorrow I've spent some good time minus going to my home. I stay where you work. Ompulire. Hey. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Tomorrow I stay where you work. And tomorrow